Hello there, scholars. Today I wanted to show you how to access your portfolios and other important information on Class Dojo. As you see, your names are each listed here under Classroom, okay? So whenever you want to see what dojo points or how many dojo points you've received, you can hit Classroom, look at your name, and the number of dojo points you've earned will be here, okay? So let's click on Beyonce for a second. Beyonce has received points for helping others, being on task, for participating during the lesson, for persistence, which means she just keeps trying even when something's a little bit difficult, for being a teamwork player, meaning she works with others well and she works hard. Okay? And sometimes we get points for things that we need work on. Right now, Beyonce doesn't have anything listed there. But if she, for some reason, were not participating or not being a team player, then we would put that in the needs work section. Okay. I also wanted to bring your attention to the class story. When you click on the class story, you'll see different things from me. Here in this area, you will see upcoming events. So in the next couple of weeks, look forward to me putting our school spirit week up there, and you'll see what things happen on each day and how to participate. I also might have a story like I have here, which I do read aloud. So you see me and my Cole, okay? And you click there and you can hear the whole story. Then you scroll back up to the top. Here's another important section. This is the portfolio section. When you click on the portfolio section, you'll see different activities that I have assigned to you guys. So here's one activity that I assigned called adding two-digit numbers. When you click on the adding two-digit numbers, it shows you what you need to do. What I would want you guys to do is open your math notebook and practice using all of your strategies to add these two-digit numbers. I put a tricky one down here. That's why I put two stars next to it. Okay? And then also, last place I want you to look is over here where it says messages. Messages is the area where I might send messages to your parent to tell them what a great job you're doing. They can send me messages if they have questions about your homework. You can send me messages if your parents allow you to, so that you can ask me questions if you're struggling with something, okay? So our classroom is where we see all of our names and our points. Our portfolio is where we see work that's been assigned. Our class story is saved for big events and things that I want you guys to keep a lookout for. And then messages is how we can communicate with each other. Okay, guys? I hope you understand everything that I explained. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, okay? Miss Miller loves you. Mwah.